This is the drink menu. And the food menu. I have a question. So it is my first time here. Which one can you recommend? I know there's quite a lot of options.
Sure. Yeah, for example.
So everything is good pretty much.
To be fair,
Okay.
I
That's good. Very busy.
We are very busy.
Always like this.
Always like this. Even on the weekdays. Yeah.
It's good that I came earlier.
Exactly. Yeah.
My stomach is happy. Boarding started. I really don't understand why people line up so quickly, even before starting the boarding. They're not gonna leave you alone here, so I'm just gonna enjoy my 3-pound wrap.
Dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
That is close.
And then we choose.
What is this place?
Follow us guys and about this place in a second. But all the way down there is a nice view. You want to see the view?
Yeah.
Of course. So let's go and see the view guys and then enjoy the view guys. We're going to start in a couple of minutes.
Thank you.
Action!
Where is the view? This is okay. I think. Right.
So I'm just going to travel Europe.
Oh wow.
So I'm going
Nice,
to
good
like
for you.
Madrid to Sevilla.
Oh, nice. Sevilla is good, man.
Nice Sevilla?
Yeah, I was there last December,
No way, yeah.
and then I went to. You should go to Malaga after.
I was going to, but like it's hard to get there on the train.
Guys, enjoy the view. We're going to start in a minute if anybody wants
Where's the view?
It's weird.